Hello guys, in today's video we'll talk about are wheel spacers actually safe?
For the wheel clearance measurement, the 15mm wheel spacers are the perfect thickness for the new BMW 5 series to make the wheels flush with the fender. By creating the offsets, BMW 5 series gets a more aggressive look. Upgrading performance with wheel spacers is safe for daily driving. If you install them correctly, quality spacer won't cause any problems.
The lightweight plus of BONOSS wheel spacers means that the hollow design is further optimized on the basis of the traditional wheel spacers. Compared with the previous generation products, the weight is reduced by 20%. The reducing unsprung weight helps the vehicle suspension system work more effectively.
The spacers improve handling by widening the vehicle's track width and enhancing stability, especially during high-speed cornering. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.
That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye!